Very funny. You having a good time? Sir, I swear I never... Uh, hi. We'll see you in an Arcadia. Yeah, hi. I was just wondering, what are the rest of going to be doing? While I'm down there getting blasted? The Abadi Moons, huh? Well, we better check it out. Yeah, who knew? She always seemed so sweet and innocent in her videos. If we play this right, she'll lead us right to Dr. Nefarious. Better let me do the talking. Anyway, looks like that last moon is surrounded by an Omega class disintegration field. Whatever is going on out there, it can't be good. If I had the right tools, I could hack into that generator and shut the field down. Clank shouldn't have been back by now. What could be taking him so long? Ah!